Good morning, students. I welcome you all to your maths class. Thought of the day: education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. We are doing chapter 3, Understanding Quadrilaters, exercise 3.3, question number 2. You are given the parallelograms and you have to calculate the values of unknowns x, y, and z. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Firstly, what do you mean by a parallelogram? A parallelogram in which opposite sides are equal and parallel, opposite angles are also equal, and diagonals bisect each other. But firstly, we will do opposite angles are equal. If angle B equals to 100 degree, then angle Y is also equals to 100 degree. Now if I want to calculate the value of either Z or X, then the second angle will be equals to that one. Or the second result is this one: the sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Supplementary means adjacent angle. Sum of the adjacent angles is 180 degree. These two are adjacent angle, these two are adjacent angle, these two are adjacent angle, and these two are. If I will take these two angles and this angle is 100 degree, then that angle is 180 minus 100 equals to 80 degree. If this angle is 80, then that one is also 80. Now start its proof. In given parallelogram ABCD, angle B equals to 100 degree, that one is given to you. Now, angle A is given to you Z, B is given to you 100, C is given to you X, and D is given to you Y. Now, angle B and angle D, both angles are equal. If this is 100, then D is also 100. That is angle Y equals to 100 degree. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Also, angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. Since adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary, if this is 100, then angle A equals to 80 degree. If A equals to 80 degree, then C is also equals to 80 degree. Since opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, yes, hence angle A, that is angle Z, equals to 80 degree, B equals to 100 degree, angle C equals to 80 degree, and D equals to 100 degree. If you want to check your answer is right or not, what will you do? You will take the sum of all the four angles. If the sum of all the four angles is 360 degree, then your answer is right. Come on its second part, we are given that PQRS. Again, we are given that it's a parallelogram and we have to calculate the value of angle X, Y, and Z. Started proof. Since PQRS is a parallelogram, angle P plus angle S equals to 180 degree. Since adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary, that is 50 plus x equals to 180 degree, that is x equals to 180 minus 50. 180 minus 50 will be 130 degree. That is angle P equals to 130 degree. If this angle is 130, then angle R is also 130 since opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Also, angle Y or angle Z, these two angles are equal by the condition of alternate angles. These two are alternate angles. If it's a parallelogram, these two sides are parallel. One transversal intersect them. Then finally these two are alternate angles and these alternate angles are equal. That is angle Z is also equals to 130 degree. Hence angle X 130, Y 130, and Z is also 130. Next, it's in third part. Again, we are given a parallelogram A, B, C, D, and we have to calculate the value of angle X, Y, Z. Yes, angle X equals to 90 degree. Now, in this triangle, take triangle OBC. If this angle is 90 degree, then it's a triangle. Since it's a right angle triangle, if it's a right angle triangle, then this angle is 90 degree. If this angle is 90 degree and it's a triangle, then 90 degree plus y plus 30 degree equals to 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. 90 plus 30, 120, 120 degree plus y equals to 180 degree. That is y equals to 180 minus 120, that is y equals to 60 degree. Now, if y is 60 degree, then z is also 60 degree by the condition of again alternate angles. then that is जो z होगा that one is also 60 degree, that is x equals to 90 degree, y equals to 60 degree, and z is also equals to 60 degree. Fourth part you have to try it yourself. Come on, its fifth part. Again you are given ABCD is a parallelogram, AC is a diagonal, angle B is given to 112. Again, if it's a parallelogram and this angle is 112, then that angle is also 112 since opposite angles are equal. Now in triangle ACD, this angle is 40, this angle is 112. 40 plus 112 plus x equals to 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. 40 plus 112, 152 plus angle x equals to 180 degree, that is angle x equals to 180 minus 152, that is angle x equals to 20 degree. If angle x is equals to 28 degree, then angle z is also 28 degree by the condition of alternate angles. Hence angle x 28, y 112 and z equals to 28 degree. In question number 3, can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if? Quadrilateral four-sided figure is known as a quadrilateral. We are given that a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if angle B plus D equals to 180 degree. For example, if I will take this one, we want to check that if the sum of these two angles is 180 degree, then we have to check that is it a parallelogram or not. Given quadrilateral ABCD may or may not be a parallelogram. Along with this condition, the following conditions must be fulfilled. First one is the sum of the measures of adjacent angles will be 180 degree, and the second condition will be opposite angles should always be of same measure. Then only we can say that the given quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. In the second part, we are given that AB equals to DC equals to 8 centimeter. For example, if I will take this, AB and DC, the length of these two sides are given to us 8 centimeter, and AD, this length is AD, that one is given to you 4 centimeter, and then this BC is given to us 4.4 centimeter. We cannot say that it's a parallelogram since in a parallelogram opposite sides are of equal length. The length of these two sides, that is AD and BC, are not same, so therefore the given quadrilateral is not a parallelogram. In the third part, we are given that angle A equals to 70 degree and angle C equals to 65 degree. If I will assume that it's a quadrilateral, in this quadrilateral, angle A equals to 70 degree and C equals to 65 degree. I cannot say that the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram since in a parallelogram opposite angles, that is angle A and angle C, both are opposite angles and they must be same, but in this part measurement of these two angles are not same, hence therefore the given quadrilateral is not a parallelogram. In question number 5, we are given that the measurement of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in ratio 3:2. Find the measurement of each angle of a parallelogram. Let ABCD be a parallelogram, and we will assume that let the measurement of angle A equals to 3x and B equals to 2x, since adjacent angles are given to us. And we know that the sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree, that is 3x plus 2x equals to 180 degree. That is 5x equals to 180 degree, that is x equals to 36. That is angle A equals to 3 multiply 36, 108, and angle B equals to 2 multiply 36 equals to 72. If it's a parallelogram, then opposite angles are equal. That is angle A equals to angle C, 108 degree, and angle B equals to angle D, that one is 72 degree. Thank you.